Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar. It's a really great tool for staying organized. I use it all the time, and most of the departments on campus seem to use it because all of the other programs that we've been using are broken right now. But Google lives forever. So you'll see here that I'm at the default home page for Google Chrome. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to get there. You can type in um, google.com/calendar. Um, that'll bring you there. However, you can also come here to these little dots from the home page, the apps screen, and go to calendar. You can also do that from the your inbox homepage here. It has the app page as well, and you can access the calendar from there. But you'll see now that I'm in the calendar. This is the default view of the calendar. It usually shows a week. You can change that to showing it by day, week, month, and then specific custom days like 4 days. That's up to you. But right now I'm just going to show you how to, well, first off, turn your calendar on and off. So you'll see that this little box, this colored box next to UNM-TLC, that shows that that calendar is indeed on. If I check or click that name here, it's going to take all of those events that were on that calendar off. I'm going to turn them back on real quick. Now, if I was creating an event on this calendar, I'd want to make sure that I was on you or had UNM TLC checked. Then I'm just going to click, say I want to do something at 10 a.m. Okay. Now, what am I going to do? Well, what am I going to do? Let's say I just have a meeting. I can do something as simple as that and just hit create event, and there you go. However, if I want to get a little bit fancier, especially if you're looking at putting your classes in for next semester, you'll go ahead and click on the time. Say I have a class that starts at 9 a.m. I'll go ahead and hit the edit event button. What I'm going to do, most classes run for an hour and 15 minutes, so I'm going to manually change this 9 a.m. to 10:15. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and say repeat, and I want it to repeat weekly on Monday, Wednesday, because, that's usually when classes are. So then I'll hit done there. Don't forget to title your event, so just whatever class you want to say. Maybe I have a History 101 class there. Now, you can edit your notifications as far as pop-ups or get an email. 15 minutes. I usually do mine about 10 minutes before the event happens just to give myself a friendly reminder. You can change the color of the event. Why don't we do bright red here? You're welcome to add a description of the event. I don't normally do that. I kind of know what I'm talking about if I title it History 101, but that may help you. You can also say where it is. So say maybe it's in A131. It might also be helpful for you to say, well, it's History 101 in A131, just so you always have that kind of constant reminder. You'll go ahead and then hit this big red save button and check this out. I have History 101 in room A131, Monday, Wednesday, and if I continue to go in the future, you'll see it here on each week there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, the last thing I want you to do is I want you to know how to share calendars. Some of you may have to share calendars with family, a spouse, kids. People want to know what you're doing. People need to know if you're available. So what you'll do here is you'll click this little arrow, comes down, that's parallel to your calendar. You'll go ahead and come down to share this calendar, and then you're going to type in the email address of the person you want to share it with. So in your case, you're going to be sharing it with me, and you can take away my privileges or remove me afterward by simply hitting the remove button here. So you'll just type in me here, my email address. What you'll do, all I need to do is see all events and details. However, if you want somebody to be able to do stuff to your calendar, be able to make events for you and things like that, you might as well just make changes and manage sharing options, or make changes to events. Either one will work for you. And you're just going to go ahead and click Add Person, and then Save, and then you're done with that. And now the final thing that I'm going to show you, just to add some customization here, is if you click this downward facing arrow, you can change the custom color of the events that you're putting on that calendar. Now you'll see that mine is this kind of lavender purplish color. If I wanted to change mine, say change mine to this goldish color, you'll notice that all of the events that were created by me on this calendar will change to that, unless I specially created it and edited the color, as you'll see here with History 101, it's still in that red color. So again, this is a really great tool to keep yourself organized. The last and final thing, I promise I won't do any more than this. I like to know what's going on with the weather. So what I might do is I might go to Settings. It's this little cogwheel in the top right corner. I'm going to go ahead and go to Settings. And I'm going to scroll down. And you'll see that I have the week starting on Sunday. I'm going to change that here and just have my week start on Monday. That's just my preference. And I'm going to say show weather based on my location. I would like the weather shown in my location based on, or in Fahrenheit degrees. And that's it, guys. You have everything you need in one place. All the stuff to stay organized. You got the weather right there. It's going to be great. And you may want to enter your area code here just so that they do know where you are. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys stay organized and get it done.